This 5-minute solution will show you how to create a Facebook avatar and use as Facebook profile picture. First of all, go to your Facebook and open your profile. And now tap on Edit Profile. And here you will get Avatar. Tap on Create Avatar and Show on Profile. And now you can scan your face here to create an avatar using your face. But I'm going to skip this option. And now I'm going to create an avatar using some steps. So in first steps, I'm going to selecting a skin tone for my avatar. And here we can see my avatar preview. Now I can select a hairstyle from this list. Tap on Next. Now you can change your hair color from this list. You can change your hair color opacity. Tap on Next. And select here your face shape. And now select here your avatar outfit. And now again you will jump into this Edit Profile page. Here again tap on Edit. And now here you can select eyebrows to change your avatar eyebrows. You can add a facial hair. So all you have to need, just select all of these options one by one and edit your avatar. Once you are happy with the avatar, tap on Save. Once your avatar updated, tap on this cross icon at the top left. And now you can use this avatar as your profile cover photo from here. And now to add this avatar to your Facebook profile, you have to enable this option, Show on Profile. Your animated avatar is displayed when you swipe your profile picture. So this is how we can create a Facebook avatar and use as Facebook profile picture. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.